Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products to make your life easier. Today, we're taking a close look at the Eelhoe Eyebrow Stamp Stencil Kit, a must-have for anyone looking to achieve flawless brows with minimal effort. If you've struggled with uneven, messy brows or simply want a quicker way to shape them, this product could be your game changer. Now, let's talk about why the Eelhoe Eyebrow Stamp is considered one of the best eyebrow stamps on the market. This kit comes with everything you need to get perfect, symmetrical eyebrows in seconds. With 10 different stencils to choose from, you'll easily find the right shape for your brows, no matter your face shape or brow thickness. The stencils are designed to keep your eyebrows symmetrical, so you don't have to worry about getting them perfect on your own. What sets this eyebrow stamp apart is its easy-to-use powder that's both waterproof and smudge-resistant. You can trust that your brows will stay put all day, no matter what. Whether you're caught in the rain or sweating it out at the gym, these brows are going nowhere. Plus, the formula is designed to blend smoothly with your natural brow color for a more realistic, natural look. It's long-lasting, and it doesn't fade, so you won't need to touch up during the day. Application is incredibly easy, even for beginners. Simply choose your stencil, apply the brow powder, and press the stamp. That's it. You don't need any fancy skills to create the perfect brow shape. This product is designed for those who want quick, no-fail results, making it ideal for anyone who's in a rush or just getting into makeup. Whether you're a makeup pro or a beginner, the Eelhoe Eyebrow Stamp Stencil Kit is a simple yet effective solution for achieving beautifully shaped, long-lasting eyebrows in no time. The kit also includes 2 brushes for a more precise application, giving you all the tools you need to get your brows just right. So, if you're looking for a fast, easy, and reliable way to get gorgeous brows every day, the Eelhoe Eyebrow Stamp Stencil Kit is definitely worth checking out. Trust us, once you try it, you'll never go back to your old brow routine. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss a review. We've got plenty more exciting product breakdowns coming your way. See you next time.